episode, we went to Grenada, where we visited a spice market and traveled to a waterfall. Stay tuned for this episode when we visit the west coast of Guadeloupe. We go on a glass-bottom boat tour and visit the rainforest. Alright, today we're in Guadeloupe. So we're going to go to Basse-Terre, where we're going to see rainforest, waterfalls, and do an excursion in a glass-bottom boat. We arrived at the largest city and major port of Guadeloupe, Pointe-a-Pitre. Guadeloupe is actually made up of several islands, but the majority of the land is in the shape of a butterfly, and today we would spend our time on the left wing or west coast. We made our way across the plains through the fertile fields of agriculture. And through the mountains until we made our way all the way to the coast. Here was the protected underwater marine reserve, Cousteau Reserve, around the Pigeon Islands. And we could head below deck on this glass-bottom boat to get a better view of the coral gardens. Then to the top deck for a view from above. And we had the opportunity to jump in the water and snorkel for a little while around Pigeon Island too. Gosh, this place is about as close as I've seen to paradise. Next, we were headed back through the rainforest, and we stopped at Crayfish Waterfall. It is one of the prettiest waterfalls you'll ever see, but don't expect to have it to yourself. It's very popular. Guadeloupe National Park has over 40,000 acres of protected land, supporting tremendous biodiversity in its tropical forests and across a variety of elevation zones, with summits reaching nearly 5,000 feet. The rainforest supports a rich variety of trees, plant life, and other vegetation. In this shot, you can see the Caribbean all the way on the left and the tropical rainforest in the foreground. Wow, what a special place. Join us for our next episode when we go to the British Virgin Islands. Our group charters the boat for the day and sees some of the best snorkeling yet. Guys, feel free to hit the like button or share the video. Click subscribe below if you want to see more. And if you're planning travel to this area, comment below with questions and I'll get back to you. Check out the show notes for links, locations, and details.